In this video, I hope to give you solution for this memory card cannot be used. Card may be damaged. Insert another card. You can turn off, turn on and remount your SD card. You can see situation is same. I hope to unmount it. You can remove it just like this. Now I hope to check the connectors. You can see here small metallic parts. Sometimes it may be oxides. I hope to clean them just like this. It is very simple process. You can use sharp blade just like this. I hope to clean one by one them just like this. You can see, don't add any high pressure because it may be case to damage your SD card. You can rub blade just like this here and there. You can remove oxides. You can see some impurities and oxides here. You can carefully remove them just like this. It is very simple and smooth process. And remember, don't damage to the plastic and cover. You can remove them carefully just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can see it is cleaned. Now I hope to reinsert this SD card into camera. It is very normal process. You can insert it just like this. Now you can turn on the camera. You can see error is not showing again. I think it has been fixed. You can see here. I hope to show you the result. You can see here. I hope to take a photograph just like this. It is very simple process. You can see memory card is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to request you to subscribe my technical channel to get new technical videos or update.